Hey there, food-loving friends. Today we're diving into an important topic, foodborne illness. While cooking is all about creating delicious meals to enjoy, it's essential to understand the risks associated with foodborne pathogens and how to prevent them. So, let's learn how to stay safe and cook smart. Foodborne illness, also known as food poisoning, occurs when you consume food or beverages contaminated with harmful bacteria, viruses, parasites, or toxins. These contaminants can cause a range of symptoms, from mild gastrointestinal discomfort to severe illness. Let's break it down. Number 1. Common causes. Foodborne illness can be caused by a variety of factors, including improper food handling, inadequate cooking temperatures, cross contamination, and consuming raw or undercooked foods, especially meat, poultry, seafood, and eggs. Number 2. Symptoms. The symptoms of foodborne illness can vary depending on the type of contaminant and the individual's health condition. Common symptoms include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, fever, and fatigue. In severe cases, foodborne illness can lead to dehydration, hospitalization, and even death. Number 3. High risk groups. Certain groups of people are at higher risk of developing severe complications from foodborne illness, including young children, pregnant women, elderly individuals, and individuals with weakened immune systems. Number 4. Prevention. The good news is that foodborne illness is largely preventable with proper food safety practices. This includes washing your hands frequently, cooking food to safe temperatures, avoiding cross contamination, refrigerating perishable foods promptly, and following basic hygiene practices in the kitchen. Number 5. Seeking medical attention. If you suspect that you or someone else has food poisoning, it's essential to seek medical attention immediately, especially if symptoms are severe or persistent. Your healthcare provider can provide proper diagnosis and treatment. By understanding the risks of foodborne illness and implementing proper food safety practices in your kitchen, you can protect yourself and your loved ones from getting sick. So, let's cook smart and stay safe. Thanks for joining me on this journey to understand foodborne illness. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to elevate your cooking game. Stay safe and happy cooking. For more kitchen safety tips and culinary inspiration, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy cooking and stay healthy.